Welcome to the Final Expense Sales Academy, the hub for mastering the art of final expense life insurance sales. If you're looking to become a pro in the final expense industry, you're in the right place. My name is Kyle Williams, and I'm your host to go through the ins and outs of the final expense business, from tips to tricks to industry insights. We cover everything you need to close deals with confidence, provide true value to your clients, and become a better insurance agent. So hit that subscribe button. Let's get started on elevating your sales game one video at a time. Hey guys, in this episode we're going to talk about how to manage money as an insurance agent. So I see oftentimes whenever I bring agents into the business, they have a hard time managing money when they've come in, because oftentimes they're coming from a place where they're getting paid a salary, and then all of a sudden now they're getting paid commissions, and a lot of our carriers pay as soon as they write the policy, so they're getting all this money really quickly. So I see a lot of agents struggle with all of a sudden now they're learning having to manage the money. Their pay changes from week to week. So I've worked with my agents in creating this. I was taught this system, and this is the system that I teach my agents, and this is the system that I personally live off of myself. So let's talk about how to solve the problem of being on 100% commission and how to manage your money. Well, this first simple thing that you need to do is you need to put yourself on a salary. Well, you just came off a salary, and now you're going back on. You just came off a salary, went to commission, now you're putting yourself back on a salary. Why would you do this? Well, what this is going to do is it's going to help provide stability. Okay, our income goes like this every week. Sometimes it goes way up for a while, and sometimes it goes way down for a while. And we also have to factor in sales slumps. We have to factor in chargebacks. So we need to manage our money. So the way that you do this is you put yourself on a salary. It's going to help provide stability. It's going to prepare you whenever chargebacks hit, so that way you can still get paid and pay your bills. And it provides peace of mind in knowing that you have the money to pay for your bills. Now let's talk about how we can do this. The first thing that you need to do is go open up another checking account. You're going to call this your business account. Okay, I put air quotations because you don't need a business to do this. You just need to open up another personal checking account, free checking account. Second thing you need to do is you need to send a form to all of your insurance carriers, and it's just you're going to basically take where you get paid from your personal account to your business account. So that's the next thing you're going to do. Each carrier has a form you fill out. Just go get that form and send it into them, so that way you reroute where your income is going to. Now what you're going to do is you're going to pay for all of your business expenses out of your business account, and you're going to pay for all your personal expenses out of your personal account. And then what you're going to do is every week, probably on Friday, is you're going to pay yourself that salary out of your business account into your personal account. It's best if you automate this. Okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to live two lives. You're going to pay for all your personal bills out of your personal account. You can pay for all your business expenses out of your business account. It also makes taxes easier, because now you just got to print out one set of bank statements. And this is going to force you to live off a salary in your personal account and not live way above your means. But it's not forever, okay? I'm going to talk about some ways of how you can give yourself a pay raise. So what do you set your salary at if you're a brand new agent? If you're a brand new agent, I recommend what you do is you continue to live off the salary that you were getting paid before you came into the business. Whatever that was, said that's your salary. You were living fine before then, so keep it there. Okay? If you're an established agent, I recommend somewhere in the range of $50,000 to $100,000. You know your living wages. It varies across the country. But I do recommend you set your salary up somewhere around 50% of what your income usually is. Okay? Individual basis, just kind of going very general here, so that way you can help manage money. Now, here are some ways that you can give yourself a pay raise going in the future. But before we get there, we're going to talk about how much money do you keep in your business account. Completely up to you. I recommend that you keep at least 1 month expenses in your account. So, what are expenses? Salary, food, gas, car maintenance, phone, anything that you use to pay for your business expenses. That's an expense. You add them all up. See what it is. It's probably going to be somewhere around $10,000. I'm just throwing out a random base number. Okay? whatever makes you comfortable, you keep in that account. It needs to be no more than 3 months of your business expenses. No more than that. But I do recommend you have somewhere in the nature of 3 to 6 months in savings outside of your businesses, just in general, of cash on hand. Okay, that's a topic for a different day. Once you have 1 to 3 months expenses in your account, then what do? So now you get a pay raise, because now what you've done is you provide some security in your business to pay yourself. So now essentially you can go one entire month of not writing one policy, not getting paid in one dime, and then you can still live. Doesn't that give you peace of mind? Now, what are the chances that you go out an entire month and make 0 sales? Probably pretty low. So now you can provide peace of mind knowing that you can pay yourself and you can pay all your personal bills. So now what you do is you set that number, whatever you make it. So for this example, I'm going to use $10,000. You're going to set $10,000 as your zero base in your bank account. If you go below $10,000, you're overdrawing your account. You're in the red. Okay. Now, on the first of every month, whatever your account balance is, you're going to look at it. You're going to take a snapshot. Okay. Let's say you have $15,000 in your account on the first. Now, you've already paid all your expenses for the month at this point. You're taking a snapshot on the first of every month. You've paid all your bills. So you're $15,000. You're $5,000 over what your base is. Now what you can do is you take that money out. In business, it's called an owner dividend. Okay, take that money out. You can do whatever you want to with it, because you still got $10,000 in your business. So you got enough money to pay your bills for the month, and now you can take that money and do whatever you want to. You can create a system for it. I recommend you create a system for it. How do you want to allocate it? You can allocate it to paying off debt, going on vacations, buying a car, upgrading your house, whatever it may be. You can create your system. It's your system. It's your money. Do whatever you want to with it. But create a system. Buy you a new shotgun. I don't know. Whatever you want to do. It's your money. Do what you want. But that's how you can give yourself a pay raise. And every month, on the first of the month, take a snapshot. So the next month, if you got $17,000, now you take out $7,000. Now you got $7,000 to do everything. The next month, if you only have $12,000, well, now you only get to take out $2,000. And then the next month, you're at $8,000. Well, guess what? You did get to take nothing out this month. And next month, you got to make $2,000 more, because now you got to make up the $2,000 difference to get back to $10,000. So whatever is over $10,000, you can pull out. You can do it once a month, once a quarter. The minimum is once a month. Don't do anything every week or every 2 weeks. It's just once a month. That helps you manage cash flow. Okay? So that is some things that you can do, and that's how you can start managing your money. Some things not to do. Don't spend every dime that you make. So when you first get in the business, or if you've been in the business for a while, if you go out and make $3,000 one week in sales, don't go spend $3,000 that week. Because there's nothing worse than a broke salesman. They stink, they smell. People don't buy from broke salesmen because you're desperate. And eventually your real luck's going to run out, because then chargebacks are going to hit you. You're going to have a bad week and you're going to be broke. Don't buy a lot of things on credit. Don't live way above your means. Live well within your means. Because it's a whole lot better to have financial security to be able to sleep good at night than trying to play keeping up with the Joneses. As we wrap up, if you have any questions, comment below. Be sure to subscribe so that way you can catch the latest videos. If you receive something valuable in this video, be sure to share it with your friends, share it on social media, and comment below what was your favorite piece of content that was in this video, and we'll see you in the next episode.